Want to know how I scaled a passive income side hustle using AI coloring books without hiring a designer or spending hours drawing? I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. With Color Books AI, creating coloring books has never been easier. Just type a prompt or idea, and the AI instantly generates professional quality coloring pages. You can customize them for kids, teens, or adults, and even create theme books like animals, mandalas, or inspirational quotes. The best part, you can make multiple books in minutes, not hours, and there's a huge library of over 25,000 templates ready to use, so you don't have to start from scratch. Once your book are ready, you can publish them on platforms like Amazon KDP, Etsy, or even your own website, keeping 100% of the profits. This lets you build a recurring income stream without needing to be a designer or hire anyone. People are already making money with this, some even replacing their full time income. And because the AI does all the heavy lifting, you can scale quickly by creating multiple books a week, all while focusing on other parts of your business or life. If you're ready to start your coloring book side hustle and earn passive income online, click the link in the description to sign up for Color Books AI today and start publishing your first books